What is up? Well, let me get right. What's up, butter darling? Okay, baby. How's that look? Oh, how do I look? How do I look? Oh. I just wanted to show y'all that this hair has a curl pattern. Y'all, like a curl pattern, for real, for real. We got a little band on cooking, but really pretty curl pattern that you can play around with. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keeve, and today's video it's another hair video, but maybe you'll see how my hair's straight. I gotta tell y'all, first of all, this is a wig, clearly, because you all know I don't wear my own hair, duh. It's actually a curly unit. It's a half wig, y'all. Y'all better run because this hair right now is on mega sale. Like, I hope you see this video in time to catch you one, because baby, this joint is like $175. I didn't put any product in it because I was gonna be blowing it out, and those products don't mix, okay? You don't mix curly products when you go press it out. You wanna make sure there's nothing in the hair. You wanna keep it nice and light. Okay, let's see. My forehead looking weird? What's that? We're still figuring out this lighting. Okay, anyway, moving on. Let's blow her out. Hey, and if you're new here, baby, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, baby, because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. Be. Let's get into this. All we're gonna use is a little water. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. All right, so this is the start. Let's continue. Making beautiful progress. This is actually happening. This is moving so quickly. I love that. Making. Okay. Under here, I do not have any braids. I don't. It's just vibes. Remember when we used to wear hair like this and we thought this was everything? It's giving me back to Avril Lavigne, like Avril Lavigne and little Fifi Dobson. Yeah, that era of my life. I'm ready to be your everything, and I'm not gonna wait for you forever this time. Da-da-da, hey-oh. Da-da-da-da, hey-oh. Comment below if you know. Okay. I almost feel like I don't even need this much leave out. Like, I have too much leave out. It's too much. I don't want this all. Yeah. I could literally get away with less than this. That's too much. What do you guys think, right? I don't need all that. And like I said, my hair is literally in a ponytail right now. Okay, you know what? We might as well just show you. Show you all. My child's definitely up. Okay. I'm just gonna push it back here with the rest of the wild things. Ouch. Okay. If you want maximum security prison, I don't know why I said that. If you want maximum security though, don't do like me and actually put your hair like with some kind of braid or something to give yourself more security. But see, we got the drawstring and everything, y'all. So we got some security, okay? I'm ready to be your. That's really why I'm being so bold. Once you got your little drawstring, you already know. The less leave out, the better. The better. Here we go. guys, should I do the one curls? Or just curl her up? Wand curls, flat iron curls, curling iron curls. Flexi rod curls. What are we thinking? Like, is that my hair right there that fell? Is that mine? No. But I know you think it is because it's just seamlessly blending right now. Yeah. Sorry guys. What curling iron you guys using these days? I'm still a fan of this curling iron. It's not the one I've had all these years, but it's that kind of vibe. It's just that kind of vibe. The kind of vibe where I just keep talking and interrupting myself because I catch a glimpse and I'm like just pressed out my natural hair and it's just so long. But I also need a flat iron. This Hot Tools flat iron has been around, clearly. Look at her. Hot Tools, shout out to y'all. Thank you for sending me this years ago. I wouldn't mind another one though. I wouldn't mind another one if you guys are feeling generous. Again. So this is a super lightweight unit. This is not a super high density unit, but I mean, you can always custom order if you like. What they say? What they say? Said I'm not gonna wait for you. There's too much skin exposed near the hot iron. Golly. What the heck? Oh, messing up my makeup. Oh, the chemtrails are killing me. I gotta, hold on. Yo. Look at my makeup half gone. Your girl almost died. Dusting my hair. Let me take off this headband. Oh. Mixing it up. My hair has grown once again. And now I've pressed it out that it's grown and I've even gotten some highlights and like a natural just tousled look. Like we're not going for anything flat, baby. We're going for tousle. Yo, this is the biggest ponytail behind me. Next time I'm gonna braid my hair down and I'm gonna make her flat. But for now, she's just gonna have to be what she is. But I am enjoying. Look at the color. Soft, pretty. This is so good for a little holiday like updo or something. What y'all think? I might cut her into like a bob. What do you guys think? Should I cut this into a bob? Look. Heavy on the front, but like, Should I? Okay, comment below and let me know if I should cut it. But it's when you do that and you're like, what'd you say? Oh, my hair is just tousled. It's just tousled. It's that vibe all day. You're not really supposed to be touching your hair this much when you get it done, but here I am. Here I am having a time. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let you get out of here. That is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because why? Because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. And please stay tuned because this month I'm posting like every day. Who said that? Me. So come through. Come through. I said like every day, okay? The truth is it's every other day at this point, but I'm doing my best. Aim for the moon and land among the stars. point is, point blank, I'm showing up here as much as I possibly can this month. And that's going to look like every day, maybe every other day, sometimes twice a day. I don't know. We go see. We go do our best. So show up, show out. Let me hear what you got to say. Get out of here. Let me just get out of here. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.